What if your social media could run like a well-oiled machine, working seamlessly, effortlessly, and consistently, even while you sleep? Picture this. Instead of scrambling to manage posts, replies, and analytics, your social media operates smoothly in the background, delivering engaging content that resonates with your audience and amplifies your message. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your social media game from a time-consuming chore into a streamlined system with AI Wize, a powerful tool designed to make social media management simple and efficient. Imagine your social media isn't a messy collection of scattered tasks anymore. It's a well-oiled machine. Every post, every interaction, every piece of content is working together seamlessly, driving engagement and growth. You're not manually turning the gears, you're the engineer, fine-tuning the system for optimal performance. With AI Wize, you can automate the heavy lifting while still keeping control over the final outcome. No more juggling posts across multiple platforms or stressing about optimal posting times. Instead, you build a system that consistently delivers tailored, perfectly timed content to your audience. Now, why should you consider AI for social media? Leveraging AI isn't about losing the human touch, it's about amplifying it. AI tools can analyze trends to generate engaging content ideas, schedule posts when your audience is most active, track performance to optimize future strategies, and even handle real-time engagement like responding to comments and messages. Let's look at a specific example to see this in action. Today, I'll show you how to automate LinkedIn posts with AI Wize. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or a professional looking to establish thought leadership, this flow will save you time and make your LinkedIn presence consistent and impactful. Here's the flow we'll create. First, we'll use the Towards Data Science (RSS) feed to fetch fresh articles about AI. Next, we'll feed that prompt into ChatGPT to generate the actual post. After that, we'll use ChatGPT one more time to create a prompt for the image generator. Once we have that, we'll connect to the image generator to design a matching visual. Finally, we'll connect everything to LinkedIn and schedule the post to go live at the best time for engagement. Sound like a plan? Let's jump into AI Wize and set it up. First, go to the AI-mation section and click Autopilot, then Create Flow. Let's name this flow LinkedIn AI Automation. For the trigger, we'll use the Towards Data Science RSS feed. Paste the feed URL, and AI Wize will fetch the latest articles for us. You can see it pulls the title, summary, and link everything we need to start creating. Now, connect to ChatGPT to create the LinkedIn post prompt. Here's what we'll input. Write a LinkedIn post summarizing the following article. Then we input the article. And focus on engaging professionals and providing actionable insights. Then AI Wize will return a professional post draft. Next, let's add another ChatGPT step to create a prompt for an image. We'll say, generate a prompt for a professional infographic or banner that aligns with the following LinkedIn post, then input the post text from the previous move. Once we have the image prompt, we'll connect to the image generator. Feed it the prompt, and in seconds, we'll have a polished graphic to pair with our post. Finally, we connect to LinkedIn. Add the LinkedIn app and configure it to create a new post using the text and image we just generated. And don't forget to connect to your LinkedIn account. And that's it. We've just set up a complete LinkedIn automation flow. It pulls trending articles, generates professional posts and visuals, and schedules everything so your profile stays active with minimal effort. Now, let's think about what this means for you. Every week, without lifting a finger, you're sharing high-quality, professional posts that reflect your expertise and build trust with your audience. Whether you're an entrepreneur showcasing industry insights, a marketer running campaigns, or a professional growing your network, this flow keeps your LinkedIn profile active, impactful, and consistent without the manual hassle. So, here's your challenge. Try setting up any social media automation flow in AI Wize. Start with a source you find reliable, whether it's an industry blog, an RSS feed, or a trusted publication to discover engaging content. Then, craft professional posts that reflect your unique perspective and let AI handle the heavy lifting, from creating the post to scheduling and sharing it seamlessly. Once you've set it up, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI in your digital strategy. Until next time, happy automating!